YouTube. Hello. We are back on after a few month hiatus. Grant, what are we doing now?
Oh, we're making a plug.
We're making a plug, and so over the last, well, we posted last, I think September or October or August, whatever it was last time we posted. When you guys saw the foam, now we've been covering the whole thing in Bondo and hand sanding it. Grant, can I get an example of some hand sanding of what we've been doing for like the last weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks? Oh, okay, I'll do it. So you grab these little guys and you just do this. You just go over here and you just kind of do this. But you do that for like 10 years straight. And that's what we've been doing. And it's dusty in here. So look at that holly screen. It's a little.
Don't touch it, it'll scratch it.
It's a little dusty. Grant?
Yeah. Alright, so first off, what's a plug? I think I explained it. I don't know which video. Time has gone weird. Anyway, plug is the first thing that you make, so then you can make a mold of it. So molds are just basically a copier machine, but you need something to copy, so thus you make a plug. Plug is the first thing you make. So, yeah, we gotta sand all this. It's annoying. We're not really done. We're not.
We're getting there. Well, by the time this is posted, it should be done, and we'll be working on the next video. But the reason we've been delaying posting is we're obviously just not going to go 8 months without showing you guys any work. So we're going to post in a video as soon as we finish one step here. It's slow rolling, guys. It's only me. It's literally only me and Grant working here.
Yeah, so you guys saw foam. Now we have Bondo. And then after the Bondo, we put primer and...
all that stuff.
Well, primer and do a wet sand. Then we put all that stuff on to get that lovely mold.
But it is coming along. I've been working on this one for like 2 weeks. I mean, I've been gone a lot, but
yeah.
This one it's been slow rolling, but we are making progress, boys. This one is pretty much done.
Pretty much. Still got wet sand everything, but you gotta finish the whole thing, then you can do the wet sand. Which the wet sand should only take like a day. So really it's just forming everything and making sure everything is perfectly mirrored.
The engine's a little dusty as well. But hey, it is what it is. So here is what we've done so far of that.
Yeah.
That engine looks so sick still, even though it's covered in dust. But fans, as you can see, the body, the mold is starting to really come together. Look how smooth we're getting it.
Yeah, the plug is doing work great.
Well, you're doing a really good job, Grant. This has really come out a long way since last time we filmed. I was out of town again for like another month, but it's been looking amazing. All this hand carved stuff is looking great. It's a lot different than the foam last time we saw it. As you can see, this panel still needs a little bit of cleanup. That one's almost done. This one needs a little bit of cleanup. As you can see back here, it's still kind of all choppy. Over here it looks kind of choppy. Work in progress, though. It's starting to come together.
Yeah.
Oh, Grant. Should we introduce our new family member?
Why not?
Well, we'll follow you. Let's go see.
All right, let's go.
Fans, we have a new family member at the house. Hi, Maria. Hello, Todd. We're just going to give you guys a quick intro to our new friend, to the new Crapbox family. We'll give you a whole video on this beautiful specimen very soon. Grant, what is this?
It's a black car.
It is a black minivan. So fans, for those who don't know, this is a 2008 HHR SS. And if you guys can't smell, because we don't have smell-o-vision, but there's a big puddle under there you can't really see. That's all fuel, because this thing is peeing fuel everywhere. And it has a really bad front end clunk. So of course I bought a rusted, broken car. Why did I buy this, you ask? I don't know. Maybe it's because... oh, it's locked. Can you see inside? No. Stand by. Grant's stalking Aiden. But as you guys can see, if you look in, It's a 5-speed. And it's missing its pillar right now. We're putting in a pod in. So
I really like it.
plans for this thing, not too much right now. It's gonna be more of my new daily.
I already watched it through. We're filming the HHR. Yeah. We're talking about TV.
Oh, so plans for this thing, just really quick. Just some basic bolt-ons for now, nothing too special. It's just gonna be a daily, gonna lower it, throw some wheels on it.
It's raining. I gotta cover the Bronco.
Yes, Grant has to cover the Bronco. So anyway, it's just gonna be a fun little daily. Eventually down the road, we are gonna have a very, very nasty plan for this thing to be a real fast car, fast drag car, but that's not for a while. And don't worry, guys, we haven't forgotten about the Monte Carlo here. We are working on getting a shop which we will then bring this to and get started on this. And also, for those who don't know, this thing is just, 2-liter turbo, makes like 240, 250-ish horsepower stock. I don't know. You can Google the numbers. So just want to introduce you guys to the new friend. We'll have a whole video on this thing very soon. Let's get back to the Corolla, though. What you doing, buddy?
Making a radius.
Clyde's in a bag, playing loud music. Can't really turn them off, but we're not getting copyrighted on this movie anymore. We're not making any money on this one anyway. So, body's coming along. God, the wide lens does not do justice at night, but it's coming along, boys. Front end's pretty much done except for the front end, but it's coming.
Yeah, we got the grill and the 2 fenders in the back. That's it. These 2 fenders, which were the hardest, are done now, so.
And we'll continue going.
Hello fans and good morning. Well, good afternoon. I am back today. Surprisingly, contrary to expectation in recent videos, I'm alone today and Grant's off at work while I am here sanding and, getting everything done. Let me show you guys a quick update on what we did on the Corolla so far. So as you can see, we've been kind of plugging holes on this side. This is my job for today. I'm essentially going to smooth this bad boy all the way out. It's going to look really nice when it's done. We're going to try to get this down here, that little lip out there to help accent the arch a little bit. And then the air dam back here, smooth out this a little bit. There's been a lot of holes because there's a lot of thin fiberglass spots. There's a lot of voids underneath. So we've been kind of trying to patch all that up. But the front end's almost done. Look at this. It's starting to look real good. Remember, this is only just a mold, but and the front grille is really starting to come together still. Slowly but surely. But look at that. Doesn't that look good? Come around to this side. This one's pretty much done too, as you can see. That side over there, we haven't even started that rear corner yet. So essentially what we're gonna do is take that wood circle, wheel, quotation marks, and throw it on the other side. And essentially kind of like even out the wheel well until it matches that. So that way it'll match the other side. Eventually we also are gonna put the radiator back here. That's the intercooler from the HHR, which might go on here. Eventually, we're thinking of getting 2 of them because those things are dumb cheap. The problem is they got plastic end tanks, so we'll just weld aluminum ones on. Because, why not? We can fab. Why not? But other funny news, the whole fleet is a little damaged right now. Everyone in the fleet's a little tired. Let me go through it. So, as I said last video, Aiden's Miata needs a new engine. Trailblazer. Something in the steering is clunking now. Love that for it. The Bronco. It burns more oil than it does fuel. The S10, as you guys know, bad rear end stuff going on there. Got to figure that out. And Honeydew. Honeydew has a bad O-ring on her bottom map sensor, which is down over there. Can't really see it right now, but so essentially, it's a 2-person job to get that little thing out, just because it's like, as you can see, reaching it is just ungodly horrible. As you can see, I can't even touch it. And trust me, we are still looking for a shop because the Monte Carlo is still in desperate need to be moved. I mean, it's been under there for a while. I mean, our backyard turned into a whole entire workshop while the Corolla has been being sanded. Like, I'm doing the HHR here, getting this fixed. After the HHR, we're going right to the S10. Once the S10's butt is done, then we grab the Trailblazer. Put the Trailblazer on here, get it steering in. Another day of the same video. Part whatever. Putting the dusty old Crocs on. This is an exhaust system for Aiden's BRZ. That's kind of cool. The Miata's the only one in the lawn. Hey, the HHR's on the road. Still no plate yet. That reservation's taking forever. Hello, Corvette. So today, fans, on another episode or another continuation of the same damn video that we've been filming for like a month, back to sanding. This quarter panel, I think I already said, is this one's done. And this morning, we finished this one. Or, well, pretty dang close. Just got to smooth out some stuff. We just filled this putty up today. Waited for that to dry. You know, might have to smooth that out a little bit. But other than that, this is pretty much done. You got the nice arch here. It's looking really, really sharp. That one's pretty much done. We spent forever. Well, Grant spent forever trying to get that line there perfect. And this line down here is going to take a while as well. But my job for this evening is going to be smoothing all this out. And I would use the electric sander, but since I'm wearing contacts, it just blasts things in my eyes, and I can't find the safety glasses to save my life. So I'm just gonna hand sand it and be a man. So we got the gauge on the other side, and let's hop to it. Also, just a quick update with the rest of the fleet. Thankfully, that the rear end was gone, was blown out. But I was happily wrong. It's just the U joint is just totally effed. So luckily, that's only a $10 part, but I don't have a press, so, you know, freezer and a blowtorch, right? That's what we'll be doing for that, and then hopefully I can get my daily back working, which would be nice.
24 hours later.
Hello, fans. On today's episode of Sadness, we have the Trailblazer, and guess what it just did? I think it threw a rod.
Rod knock, baby.
Yeah, she got some naughty rod knock. I would start it and show y'all, but we're scared that we're gonna hurt the head. So, oh, what are we gonna do with it?
I'm just kind of running through my interesting information to make sure to see what we all know, but that we all know what actually happened. We all know it.
Yeah. Upsetting news, but this truck has just been the bane of my existence. It flat spotted its cam. We rebuilt it. It was doing good. And then we went through this oil starvation thing. Like, the oil pressure gauge didn't work. And then we thought it was the pump, replaced it. It's just been nothing but just so annoying. And it's finally been running good. And she shat the fucking bed. So, rest in peace to Trailblazer. And I'm really upset because I bought this thing with 4,000 original miles. It only has 55,000 miles on it right now. And it blew up. So, really upset about that. But you know what? I can't sell it. Sell it? Grant, could you imagine selling it?
Oh, no. It's basically, we're just probably going to build an engine outside of it and just let this thing sit in the backyard. And, you know.
Yeah.
It'll just be an LS in the living room.
Yeah, this thing's gonna be in the backyard for a long time. But yeah. Rest in peace to Trailblazer. Let's get back to the Corolla. All day, every day. Just sanding.
I'm going to go away from you.
Hello, fans from the new camera. We are doing an outro of the video that I've been filming for months and 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 months. So, this is our final product until you see what's next.
Well, I still got to sand.
Yes, there's more sanding to do, but what's next?
If you come over here, look at what I'm seeing. That is almost done. Ignore this. So that side and here, this car is about 90% done on this side. Basically, it's just trimming this to make sure it's leveled. So the other side, we still got a whole panel to do, but overall, it's coming along pretty well.
It's just taking 10 years to do it.
It's taken a long time. We also have full-time jobs.
Which doesn't help.
Doesn't help.
But we got Agnes and Honeydew working.
Yep.
Whoa, that's crazy.
What?
Just you'll see in the video. Sorry, fans, I got a new phone, and this is just the most insane thing to me. Sorry, I'm getting distracted. Anyway, So yeah, we have an update for the HHR next week or whenever I decide to post that. We'll post the actual whole video explaining this thing because now we actually have a fun upgrade coming for that thing, which is gonna make it actually. I wasn't supposed to, but I kind of shot myself in the foot, and now I have to make it fast. Right, Grant?
Yeah.
So, we are sorry, fans, for this mopey, dopey, sad video, and that we haven't posted in October.
I don't care.
Sorry. Say sorry.
No.
He says sorry inside. Let's get a little action here. Spare some for the fans.
You hear the marble?
Oh, I hear
It's
the
still a
marble.
thud. Gotta mix the paint.
So, fans, this is gonna be the end of our video for now. Here's this side real quick. Next thing we're doing is waxing it, right?
Yeah. We gotta wax it, 14 layers, and it'll take about a week to wax it. Because it takes around 8 to 12 hours for each layer of wax to dry. Then you gotta take it off. Then you wax it again, take it off, wax again, take it off. So, we'll just wake up at like the randomly 3 a.m., wax on before work and stuff like that. So that'll take a full week on its own. Then we gotta do gel coat. Then we make molds. So there's still a lot to do.
And that'll be part like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the body. So it's slow rolling, boys, but we're gonna attempt to make more videos more regularly. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok and Instagram. We give constant updates there so you guys aren't so much in the dark. I try to post on the TikTok at a minimum of twice a week, but I've been also lazy about that. HHR content coming up next, guys. Be excited for that. Hopefully this thing doesn't die. Like the Trailblazer blew up. Trailblazer content probably not coming for like a year. Please like and subscribe. We'll have a new video for you next week. If you like this video, you will get a sick Corolla body from Baby Grant.